Good afternoon, Global Studies students. Let's take a look at the week of May 20th through the 26th as we start to wind down our year, and we'll begin with our weekly checklist. Today, we are going to be starting a new part of the world to look at, South Central Asia. Now, you may have heard it called the Middle East. All right, now that's kind of in reference. South Central Asia is technically where this region is if you were to look at the entire globe and all that. So therefore, we are going to do a couple of things. First of all, on Thursday, your child labor infographic is due tonight, Thursday at midnight. So make sure you get that submitted. Then we're going to start a map. All right, Middle East map or South Central Asia map is going to be very similar to everything else that we have done. All right, so there's a folder with it which I'll show you. All right, we're going to continue working on that on Friday. Monday, we're going to shift gears here, and we're going to start looking at the monotheistic religions. Monotheistic religions are those that worship one God. As a matter of fact, three that we're going to look at, Judaism, Islam, and Christianity, actually all have are all the same God that they believe in. All right. And so Monday we're going to look at Judaism, steps 1 through 3 in your note sheet. Tuesday you're going to go through steps 4 through 6, and then on Thursday, which will be the brand new week, we'll look at Christianity. All right. I'm going to go back to the week's folder very quickly. And once again, you will notice here that we have a map folder. All right, that you're going to find the task sheet. You're going to find the map in there. You will find an example of kind of how to label things, the website you're going to need for how to color it, and then finally the maps where you're going to find all of your resources. Also in here, you will find your religion folder. All right, monotheistic religions, and also where you will upload your infographic. Have a wonderful week, 8th graders, and we will catch you next week when we count them down even more and get closer to being done.